We are the Kashmiri Pandits gathering at Delhi ITO today evening after the Pandit MK Kaw lecture. And then, ladies and gentlemen, that is, we had a very nice, high tea after my brother Sumanji is always there having his. Oh, that is great, man! Oh, yeah, icon in the world, icon indologist in the world, just taking around the Bhartita, around culture and heritage, and of course, she spoke about Kashmir contribution as a crown jewel. That they say that Kohinoor for the whole world. There was so much, lot of good evening today, and that we had that the energy is flowing. And that is what exactly we had today. There was all good dishes, dokla, and of course the sweet dish. Give a smile, sir.
Wow.
And all credit goes to Ganjoo Sir, the best.
Thank you, sir.
My brother. Oh, maza aa gaya,
Thank
maza aa
you.
gaya. It's energy demand world and Kashmiri Pandits, of course. That is what I was saying, my brother, that this is the best outside Kashmir. This is the best place that we are in. Of all the big stalwarts, Colonel Tikku, and of course Magin Saab, and then Pajnu Saab, coming from corners of Delhi and NCR. And enjoying
Different corners of the world.
Corners of the world.
Thank you so much.
And no better place outside Kashmir in whole of the world than this today. That is what exactly I was saying.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Today is Kush's date, October 28th.
28th of October.
October 2023, and remembering the legacy and the contribution of Pandit MK Kaw to the Kashmiri Pandit community, and paying gratitude to him this evening.